What really inspired me to make this artwork is I wanted something innately feminine. I wanted something super girly. I wanted something that screams, I am feminine, I am woman, and this is my space. And so I really gravitated towards this idea of the lipstick, and then the bollards kind of lend themselves to that shape. Hi, my name is KT Hancock. I have been living in Seattle for the last decade. This is my first installation at Sea-Tac Airport. It is a series of lipsticks that create a rainbow. The title of the piece is A Color for Every Destination. So I am a metal fabricator. I use steel primarily as my medium to make sculptural objects. And what I love about metal is that it's so rigid and it's so strong, and it's perfect for public art, right? We need some sort of protection in the public realm. I love this dichotomy between this inherently feminine object and this inherently masculine art form. And so I love combining those two things. And yes, steel is rugged, and yes, it is strong, and yes, it is lipstick.
So as of right now, we work with roughly 20-25 artists, and we are going to have more RFQs, so requests for qualifications going out in 2025, 2026. So yeah, if you're an artist and you want to work with us, just keep an eye on our website. We also publish our RFQs on other local websites such as Folk Culture, Artist Trust.
And so when you leave or when you enter, that first little moment of look at those funny lipsticks inviting you to the airport, that's really the goal I was going for.